Hello everyone, this is Veronica buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is my Stash Bash collaboration with EVELYN, CREATIVA, and Creative Mommy. They both started this collaboration back in January, and our first video was in February. So far what I have for giveaway is a miniature embellishment box full of roses. And I have the crochet bows that I make also. And so this is my third, and all you have to do to enter is just be a subscriber, like this video, and comment below stating that you would like to be entered in the giveaway. Go ahead and look at all of my other videos. They're in my playlist as Stash Bash collaboration. And you can look at all those videos and enter. And so make today is some laminator sheet envelopes, and I did do one for Becky Long. I had a swap with her recently, and so let's go ahead and do that. So I do have tons of laminator sheets that I need to get rid of, and so I just want to show you how much that really is. So this is all the sheets that I have. So I have so many. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull one out, and I'm gonna pull the Dulce collection out. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one right here. So this one is going to be a big one. It's gonna go right here. So yeah, here is where you would want to put your sequins. If you want sequins, if you want glitter. In my case, I just want that. I didn't want to fiddle with some glitter or anything like that. And so, so just insert. You can sew on the paper as well. I'm not going to do that for this one, but let me go ahead and get my laminator machine. So here is the machine. I'm going to go ahead and move this over. So all I'm going to do is insert this sheet into the laminator. So this is how it turned out. It's right in there. So you want to grab your other half. So you laminate another piece, put them together, and we're going to make the flap up here. So I'm going to decide where I want the second piece to fall under. Here's my trimmer. And so I think I want it to land right there. So I'm going to take the top portion off, and we're going to cut the back sheet. And so here it is. So I cut off. Let me put it next to this so you can see the difference. That's how much I cut off. So I cut off that much, and that is where we're going to fold. We're going to fold the top half over like so. So I'm going to get my scoreboard. So now it looks like 3 inches. So we're going to score at 3 inches. So now I could fold it. Let me get that. Okay, so it's folded over like so, and we can cut more of this off if you'd like. You could have also put a sheet of paper right here, and that would have looked nice as well. So now these two go together. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and sew the edges, and then we're going to add some trim, and I'm going to go ahead and take you along with me. So I'm going to bring my sewing machine over. You know what this would be also good for? If you're throwing a party, you know, for a little girl, little boy, you could use it as a gift bag as well. I think that would be really pretty. Okay. Also invitations. That would look good. Okay, let me bring over my sewing machine. Okay, so you guys, I have you guys here at my sewing machine. And I'm going to go ahead and insert my envelope right here. So here we have it. I have the sheet in my sewing machine, and so now I'm going to sew. So I'm going to go ahead and take you through just a little bit of it. So here we go. Now back. Okay. Okay, so you're just going to be a little more careful at the end and just take it really slow, and it's not moving, so sometimes it does that. Take that off. Let's see. Oh, it's not moving, so I'm going to go ahead and rotate that, and I will be right back. Okay, so here we're at. I went ahead and rotated it so you can see I sewed right there. So now I'm going to sew the bottom. This is the bottom of the laminator sheet envelope, so let me go ahead and do that. Here we are. So I rotated it, as you can see, and so now let's sew. Okay, so I'm all done sewing, and this is what it looks like right here. So let's go ahead and decorate the bottom here, and also take off the excess thread from right here. So it's turning out really good. I'm loving it. I'm gonna go ahead and pick out some of this trim. I think I like either the pink, I think I like the mint better, and I like this one. I picked these up from Hobby Lobby, and you know what? You can use glue. I could have sewed this down right there, but I did use an ATG gun, and I used the permanent adhesive, and yeah, I need to order some more of this. Hopefully Amazon is delivering. Okay, so just add some adhesive, and then we're going to add some trim. Here we go. And you can do this with all collections. It doesn't have to be Dulce Prima. I'm going to glue the edges there and then flip it over like so. That way it doesn't fray. Okay, so far this is what it looks like. And I'm loving it so far. Looks really nice. Really nice. I'm going to add a center back here as well. So look how pretty that is. I love it. We're going to insert some smaller ones, so that's going to be part of the giveaway. This I laminated is just a ticket that comes in the collection, and I laminated it. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some holes right here, punch some holes. We're going to add some jump rings, add this as a dangle. I'm using this Paper Studios little hand punch, and look at the circle. The circle is really small, very tiny. I will link the Hobby Lobby link below. So let me go ahead and get one of these large jump rings out, and I picked these up from Hobby Lobby. Very big jump ring. And we're going to need a miniature one as well. Well, not so miniature, but a smaller one. And that's what the brand looks like.
Ooh, 18 karat gold plated. I didn't know we were being bougie here.
So let's go ahead, and I'm going to punch a hole right here. So I'm going to do 2. See if you can see that right there. 2 right there. And then we're going to insert this we're going to insert this jump ring, And let me grab my tools because this thing is really thick and you need pliers to open this up. So bam, opened up. Now we're gonna insert it into these circles and hopefully that works out for me. Because my last one, I didn't do it this way. I just thought, hey, let's do it different. So thank God it worked. There we go. And we are in business again. Here. So there we go. Sorry that was at the bottom, but I really needed to take a look at that. Let's go ahead and add this right here. And I'm going to do the same thing. Punch a hole right in there. Twist, because sometimes that doesn't work out. And these ones are easy. I could do it with my finger. And then put it in. Okay, so yeah, I'm liking how that looks. So let's go ahead and put a tassel. Okay, let me try these ones. These ones were gifted to me by Christina, and I will link her store below. But they're kind of like a nylon. I like the pink. The pink looks prettier. So I'm just going to put that in. Maybe I should add some beads. I should add some beads. Becky sent me some beads and maybe we could put some beads on that. Let's see how that looks.
So, 3 hours later.
And now I went ahead and did it. So I added the tassel, added some beads. This huge one, Becky Long gifted it to me. And then here is the tag. So that's what it looks like so far, you guys. Let's go ahead and put the adhesive back here. So this is double-sided adhesive, and I picked this up from Dollar Tree. You don't want something that's permanent. So this one isn't too permanent. I've tested it on the laminating sheet, so it's going to work. So just go ahead and cut yourself about an inch long piece, and we are going to put it at the edge of the flap right there and leave it there for the recipient to use. And in my case, it would be the winner. And then I'm going to add something to cover that, and that we will use permanent adhesive. Here's a piece of ticket. I don't know if you could see that, but it's very light. But I'm going to add it to right here to cover that portion. And that you will want to use permanent adhesive. And I'm using my ATG gun. So that's permanent and it will stick like nobody's business to this laminator sheet. Will not go anywhere. So let's put that on. I like it right there. Okay, so that's what it looks like. The back and the front. Okay, so I went ahead and did three smaller envelopes for the giveaway, and these are what they look like. And this is the bigger one, and so we're gonna put these. So look at, this is the back. It has a bow. And this one, you know, this one has a heart with a bow. And I think they came out pretty cute. And let me go ahead and put this right in so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so there is the giveaway. Isn't that cute? So that is giveaway number 3, and they're gonna be all together. And so it is April. Happy April Fools. And so we have May and then June, so 2 more to go, you guys. So that will be 5 items or giveaways that we will all be giving away in June. So go ahead and hit up the other girls and see what they're doing, and this is what I'm doing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.